Tired of boring spreadsheets? Let's spice things up and learn how to insert images directly into Excel cells, making your data instantly more visual. First, select the cell where you want to add the image. We're going to start in the picture column, next to the first name on our list. Now, go to the Insert tab on the Excel ribbon, then click on Illustrations, select Pictures, and choose this device to browse for the image you want to insert. A File Explorer window will pop up. Navigate to the folder where you have saved your images. I am selecting the image of a person now. Once you've found the right image, select it and click Insert. Don't worry that it looks too big at first. We'll fix that. Click on the image, and you'll see small circles, or handles, at the corners. Click and drag these handles to resize the image, making it smaller and more manageable. Keep resizing and repositioning the image until it fits neatly within the boundaries of the cell. Ensure the image displays correctly, with no overlap from the next cell. To quickly apply this to other cells, click back on the cell containing the image, find the small square at the bottom right corner and drag it down the column to fill the remaining empty cells. This will duplicate the formatting, but not the picture. Now repeat the process to insert different images for each person in the list. Go to the Insert tab, insert a picture, resize, and place the image into the right cell. And there you have it. Now you have visually enhanced your data. This can make your spreadsheets more engaging and easier to understand at a glance, allowing you to visually represent your data for a more visually engaging spreadsheet.